Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally. For today's video, we got a Target Advent Beauty Calendar. We're going to unbox all 12 days of the Target Beauty Advent Calendar. If you check your Targets, your local Targets are on the app, you're still going to be able to find this. I just found some online today and it's only $20 for 12 days. For Black Friday, it was on sale for 10 bucks. $10, that is insane. But I got it for $20. Honestly, $20, 12 days equals out to, hey Siri, what's 20 divided by 12?
20 divided by 12 is approximately 1.6667.
So like almost $2 a day. And to me, that's pretty good because we're only spending $2 per item, about $2 per item. So to me, that's a win. I am really excited to get into this. Before we do, I have a couple of advent calendars here on this channel. I have a lot of clothing hauls, subscriptions. If you do like those types of unboxings, reviews style, go ahead and subscribe before you leave. And let's go ahead and get into that video. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with day number 1, which is this very cute peppermint right here, day number 1. And they did let me know that this is 12 days of beauty. It doesn't really say anything else other than you're gonna get like skincare, makeup, body care, maybe hair care, maybe. Let's see, let's go ahead and see. Okay, so day number 1. Okay, so day number 1 are some nail stickers. I don't know if you could see them. Do I need to turn down the brightness? Maybe. Okay, so that is the nail stickers. Very cute. I don't think that, maybe I would use them. I usually have press-ons. Maybe I can slack them on and put a top coat on it. So that's cute. Let's go to day number 2, which is an eye. I like how the eye is not an eye product at all. This is e.l.f. Power Grip, which is a Power Grip primer. I honestly do like this. I like the pink one a little bit better because it has niacinamide. This is really cool that this is in here. I think these usually retail for like $5, so it's pretty good. Really like it. Okay, day number 3 is the candy cane. Oh, it's a NYX marshmallow setting spray. That is very cool. I like the black one. I think the black one is the all-nighter or all-day setting spray. I've never tried the marshmallow one, and I like how it's so little because I can travel with it. I can put it in my purse and then just refresh when I need a little refreshing. Oh, okay, let's smell it. Let's see the mist. Very fine. Kind of smells like marshmallow. Oh. I get a sweet scent, but not super marshmallowy. I do like that. I like it to refresh it. And it's a matte finish. Full size is like 10 bucks, so this is probably half of the full size or less than that. Very nice. Number 4 is this one. It has some lips on it. Ooh, and the lips and the eyes are not correlating to what is supposed to be in here. That's so funny. My God, I had to like break it to open this thing up. Okay, so this is a Sonia Kush. I was gonna say beauty blender, but it's not a beauty blender, a makeup sponge. Because Beauty Blender is the brand, if you did not know. It's not actually called a beauty blender, it's a makeup sponge. So this is a Sonia Kush makeup sponge. This brand used to be so hyped way back in the day, and I actually have a Sonia Kush sponge that I actually use for my whole face today, which is kind of crazy that this is in here. I love these. I already have a backup of this because this is one of the best sponges in the drugstore, in my opinion. It's very sturdy and I feel like it's very even, and the little sponge pores are very small, so it doesn't absorb so much of your liquids. I really like this. I think they usually retail for like $15 to $20 almost, and this is a good one. I love this so far. I think we almost made our money's worth so far, which is pretty good, and we're only on day number 4. So let's go to day number 5, which is just this little tiny skinny door. And it is a NYX Butter Gloss. NYX Butter Gloss, which I actually already have this one. Is this in Praline? Creme Brulee. I have this one in Creme Brulee as well. I love these things. The regular ones cost like $5. This is probably half the size. So this is probably like $2.50, 0.15 fluid ounces. And I like that it's sealed. And I will be giving this away to someone since I already have the full size. So that's a good one. 6 is right here. I could not find it at first. 6 is the very shiny one. The little pulley tab is right here. I'm gonna destroy this one. Oh my goodness. this one fell. Where did it fall from? Where'd you fall from? Maybe 11? Oh no. No, I need to put you back to where you were. I'm guessing you're 11. This is number 6. I put 11 back. Number 6 is Neutrogena makeup wipes, which I actually... Did I bring some? I was gonna bring some just in case I brought swatches. I use this on a daily basis. I know you're not supposed to use makeup wipes. I use the hydrating ones. These regular ones, I'm gonna keep them handy for when I do some swatches or for some videos. I really, really like this. And this little pack costs like, I want to say like $4, $5. So I think we already made our money's worth. Like honestly, I really do like this. I think this little $20 thing is worth it so far because I would use everything. Except for maybe not the nail stickers, but everything I would use. That was 6. Let's do 7. 7 is right here, which is probably what's missing. 7 was next to it and it fell. It fell. This is the Bioderma makeup remover. Isn't it so cute how they put it in a little tiny sample bottle? Like that is adorable. It's a micellar cleansing oil. I have the cleansing water, micellar water, but I've never tried the cleansing oil. This is a makeup remover and I like how they have a tiny cute bottle. Hello, can you focus on the bottle? Tiny cute, the cutest bottle ever. Like look at how tiny that is. That is adorable. Oh, I like this. Okay, that was 7. Let's do 8. 8 is over here. These are hard to get into, man. Ooh, is that eye drops? It is eye drops. Oh, it's Lumify. I love these things. I always have a backup or two here, my studio or like my filming room, because this literally brightens up your eyes. I didn't put some today, but like when you have red eyes or you have yellow coated eyes, this literally puts your whites of your eyes like to the whitest it's ever been. I always try to keep some here in handy, just if I need it. I like using it as regular eye drops. It says works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. It's just basically supposed to lumify your whites. And I don't think this is the full size because this is sample, not for sale, but the full size is like $20. So I think this is probably either half or a little bit less than that. So it's probably like $10, $12 because the full size is $20. So this is an amazing, we already made our money back. That's an amazing deal. That's amazing. Okay, that was 8. Oh my God, we're almost done. This little calendar is almost done. I'm so sad. So far, it's so good. I really like it. Okay, let's do 9, which is right here. Oh my God, I cannot get this one. 9, I think it's an e.l.f. setting spray. And full-size setting sprays for e.l.f.s are 10 bucks. Like it's half the calendar. Ooh, okay, so this is a Stay All Night Blue Light Setting Spray. I have the green one, which is the regular Stay All Night. I love that one. Before I really got into my Anastasia Beverly Hills, I would use that one continuously. In most of my makeup videos, if you go back like years in my YouTube, which I've been on YouTube for 4 years, that is insane. I have a lot of like e.l.f. setting sprays was always in like my top hit or misses, which I might start doing hit and misses again. I kind of miss those videos. My hit and misses of the month. But yeah, so it's just a setting spray. I like this because it has a little ball inside, so it actually shakes the product. And then you can just go and you see how nice that is. Oh, I love that setting mist. I don't know about the blue light technology. I've heard that's a lot of BS because you can't really protect your skin from blue light and it's not really a thing. Like it doesn't really affect you. But it's a gimmick marketing tactic, but usually the mist from them, oh, that feels so good. Did you see how misty that is? Like, can you even see that? Oh, this is amazing. I love e.l.f. setting sprays. Some of these are way better than the high end from like Sephora. Like, go to Target and get yourself a setting spray. I tried to put this back because I was like, well, maybe I'll like reopen it on like a short or something, but I can't. It's too much. So let's go to number 10, which is up here. And we got like 2 more after that. How sad. So number 10 is the Snow Globe. Oh, this is the prettiest one. I like this one. Oh, it says valued over 70 bucks right there. And we got it for 20. That is insane. Okay, let's go right here. Okay. It's the Mets. These are new. These were very popping on YouTube a couple months ago, weeks ago, when they came out during like the end of the summer, and they were like being sponsored all over, and I wanted to try these. So basically what it is, it's a little tablet and you're supposed to put it in your hand, and then you're just supposed to put a little bit of water, and then you can wash your face with it, which I think it's very convenient for traveling. I don't know of everyday use because I love the liquid cleansers, but I might try this out. So it just says gently soak, dissolve in water, activate, and then wash. And these are how tiny they are. So like I said, they're very convenient for like traveling, so you don't have to carry like a bunch of liquids, which I think this is genius for, because usually like my cleansers are a little bit heavy, or if I just want to pack just a little melt, this is pretty cool. I think this is a whole box. Like this is a full size, 32 dissolving melts, and it has vitamin C. That is pretty cool. I wonder how much these are. That's cool. Okay, let's do number 11, which is, oh, it'd be nice if it was the right side up, right? 11 is right here. I'm just gonna take it out because I kind of broke it. This is a Sonia Kush blotting powder sponge, and I honestly love these. I use every day for my makeup, for my under eyes, to press into my powder in my T-zone. This one is squishy. It's squishy, it's nice. It's nice, but I think this is a very cheap product because I usually get these at Temu for like a pack of like, hello, focus on my face. Why does it keep doing that? Thank you. I usually get these of like a pack of 30 for like $5 on Temu. It's the same quality. I do think this cushion is a little nicer though, but it's nice. I like it for those who don't have it and you get it in this calendar. I think it's nice for those of us who shop smart on Temu or Amazon. You can get a pack of 30 for like $5. So that's the only thing. But I do like that it's in here because we already got a bunch of full-size items, and then that's just like a little extra bonus. And then last but not least is day number 12. Right there, day number 12, which is just some whitening strips, and I think this is so cool to put in whitening strips. It's 4 treatments, so almost a full week of 8 strips, and this is the Luminex. How do you say Lumineux? Luminous. It's luminous. Okay, I didn't know that. And it's enamel safe, and it says dentist formulated. So I think that's very cool because whitening strips are pricey. But yeah, let me turn you around. Let me show you everything that I got. Okay, so here is everything that I got. So let's start off with the butter gloss. I got the Bioderma cleansing oil, NYX marshmallow setting spray, e.l.f. Stay All Night setting spray. So they got 2 setting sprays. I feel like they could have thrown in a blush or something instead, but you know what? I'm happy because I will use this. A whitening strips, which is amazing. The little nail stickers. This is the least favorite. This e.l.f. Power Grip, I really like this one. I use this almost every day, so I will get so much use out of this. I use this every day, so I'll get use out of this. These are some of my favorite eye drops. I love these. Use this every day, and I cannot wait to try these, honestly. So that's everything we got. Okay, so let me know what you thought of this 12 days of beauty from Target, which was $20. I honestly, I cannot talk. I honestly thought it was a really good deal because a lot of the things I'm going to use every day and the stuff that I don't use, I'm going to give away or put into some Christmas presents, which is going to be really nice. So yeah, so let me know what you thought of the calendar down below in the comments. My name was Sally. If you like these types of videos, I have a lot of advent calendars coming soon, clothing hauls, unboxings, a lot of good stuff. My shopping addiction is real and I need to stop because I need to save money because it is going to be 2025 and we need to save money. But anyways, thank you so much for coming. If you do like these types of videos, go ahead and subscribe, like the video before you leave, and don't forget to click the little notification bell so you can be notified of all my future uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.